Hola amigos, hola Suscar. Hola, yo soy Ashley from Ashley's Slime ABC. Hoy no va a ser como un slime video, como enseñarnos los ingredientes y dónde guardo mis slimes. Mis slimes no, los ingredientes del slime. Así, vamos a comenzar. El primer helado es aquí. Solo que lo voy a decorar más. Y seguro los voy a guardar a otro lado. Y aquí tengo mi otro teléfono para flash, ¿ok? So, a little sneak peek right there. You can see it right there. Wait, yeah. It's backwards. Okay. Now I'm gonna show you my stuff. It's like dun 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 dun. Woo! So it's like this first. You're gonna see this. Like that. Yeah, like that. La la la. Right up there. So let me flash. So wait a second. I know it takes too long, but is it flashing? Oh my god. Doesn't want to flash. I'm gonna make it flash. Wait a second. I need to go to it. Oh my gosh. Okay. Wait. Trust me. I'm going to do this. Wait, I need to put the light. Oh. You can see my things right there. Okay, you can see. Let me just say it. I'm recording another camera. So, aquí, right here, you can see my slime collection. Oh yeah, you can see a lot of glues over there. Great. So first, when you see, you're gonna see this. Right? I already told my another camera. You're gonna see this, and I wanna put it up. You're gonna put it up. Then you will see some of my pictures. Yeah, because I have this one right here. It's me, just without my glass. Wait, let me get out the camera a little bit. It's so lighty. It's like that. And see it right there. Here, alright, okay. Then you're gonna see this one, a cheerleader. Just a fake one, cheerleader one. Yeah, and I'm little on this one without not glasses. And this one without not glasses. That's right there. Then you're gonna see that. Then you're just gonna see like a toy is already open. Squishy mushy. Okay, we're gonna get it. I'm gonna show you my squishy mushy. Is it the mystery one? Okay, this one is the mystery one. Squishy mushy. And it's got purple fatty. Because he's purple and he's fat and he's got a purple fatty. It's so squishy. I'll put it right here. I'm gonna put it on. Oh my gosh, and it sticks actually to everything. But the box, not the squishy mushy. Squishy mushy. No. Oh, that is it. And then, wait, it's not see right now. And then, what you're gonna see right here is some slimes. I'm gonna show you my purse. You can see one right here too. just it's not slime. I'm gonna put one right here and have more things of slime right here and this one. So and it's right here. And then this purse, I have my money. Yeah, and not a really slimy ingredient. I have a lot, like I have $101. And then you will see my slime. I'm gonna show you this one purple one. The name, it looks like the squishy mushy. That's why I like it. There's a fluffy one. And I did it in a video, but no podía subir el video. I don't know why, but I just couldn't. Slime. And another one. This right here. On the side. This one is a clear one. Because I don't want to touch it. I'm just going to show you in the camera. Whoa, it's so pretty. So pretty. Wait, I'm gonna touch it. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna move the key. What the? Oh my gosh. There's some spiders up there. Yeah, but I don't care. Oh my god. Everything's falling. Okay. I have this clear one. And this clear. Espera. Wait.
No ponga así con tonteras, ponga cosas suyas así, pero así hay que mejores, amigas. Cosas suyas. Espérate.
Hi. Oh yeah, you can see right through the cameras. Okay, I just. Oh my. Okay. This one is a clear one, and I have this one, the clear one. I didn't touch it, I wanted to fall, and the top fell. I have to do one. Then, I already showed this. And then I have this big one. Yeah. Like this one. Oh my god. I'm liking it. It's just hard. Then I have this bowl right here. It has a glue, a green glue. I put just full color in it and voila. It's a green glue. Green glue. Then you have this mixing thingy and you have glitter animal. I don't know why I gotta put it like that. Just because, yeah, I know now. Oh my goodness. Everything just falling up. Then, right here, it has some full color. Just the rest of them, I'm not going to take them off. Is all what I have. So right here, I have a blue, a green and a blue. And right here, I have a blue and a green. And right here, I have a dark blue and a yellow. Light yellow. Yeah, and right there, I have a lot. Wait, let me zoom in. Right there. Right there, I have a lot more. Right there. Oh my god. It's close to my face. Oh my gosh. This is gonna be good. Okay, and you have pink right here. Full color. Full coloring. That's for full coloring. Then you have those big old mixy thingy. Mixy thingy, yeah. A mixy thingy. And then right here you have baking soda. The baking soda. Okay. Just everything falling up. Now you have this egg. I don't know what to put it right there. But it had slime. It's really cute. Because it had a lot of colors in it. And then you have this green thingy. You have this thing to measure. And then you have another slime inside here. So, yeah, that's for that side. Then you have these, okay, these two little bowls that has nothing. And you have Play-Doh right here. I didn't open it. Okay. Wait, I'm gonna show you the second part of this because it's super long. Okay, guys.